I'm good. I'm good.
Okay, wide open?
Yeah.
Right here I realized that I was pretty screwed. Look at that right riser. Oof. So for the first time I grabbed my brake line above the pulley and landed that way. And did it like I'd been doing it 1,000 years.
Behind those eyes, black house will rock. Blind boys don't lie.
Absolutely everything locked up on my right riser.
My walk of shame, I brought my wing back over and set it down, waiting for Bush to take off.
Cry, little sister. Come to your right.
Excellent kiting. Excellent kiting. Great.
Sister.
My wingman's a bit unorthodox in its takeoff method, but man, it is beautiful.
With your brother.
I left my Avman radio on and my Fusion GoPro was running, so this is what I caught when I wasn't listening.
Dave, I'm sorry, that was my fault. I dropped the ball. He did call earlier. He called me and said that they were going to be. It was totally my fault. They did call me, and I guess I did not send it over to you.
But please tell there's no Shiloh Airport by federal regulation.
Okay, he did call, and he said he would be out of here. He said they would take off and leave and be back in about an hour.
Yeah, it's bad enough they're flying. Well, the regs say he's not even supposed to be here.
In a few minutes, I would get to meet this fine gentleman. He's a past FAR103 brethren and was mistaken of the rules, vis-a-vis the changes since 1993. Now, prior to this, every FAR103 pilot was required to notify the nearest operable traffic tower every time before they flew, including in G airspace. After 1993, this necessity was removed. If anyone reads the current rules, they'll see this. The magenta line around Shiloh Airport indicates Class E airspace down to 750 feet, if I'm not mistaken. Under that, we're all in G airspace, and I'm good to fly whenever I've got no NOTAMs to deal with. Now, this day, I had even gone so far as to call the airport in advance to notify them of our intentions. I had gotten their approval, and so I moved forward. Now, the best way to make God laugh is to make a plan. He's probably snickering right about now, because I failed a launch, and then my partner had 2 failed launches, and then that left our third friend, who got up on his first try and is just hanging around the airport waiting for us. A chance to be considered a general nuisance to our new friend, Dave. Now, Dave was really nice, and after we showed him on SkyVector that it was, in fact, Class G airspace that he's been flying in all of this time, he did agree, and it was a great little discussion. I came to find out that his main concern was for a group of gentlemen who had flown in previous weeks during an IFR day. Now this is prohibited by FAR103 rules and should be avoided, he said, and I agreed wholeheartedly. If you look really closely, you can see this gentleman walking down the probably quarter mile of taxiway to come talk to us. I have a sneaking suspicion that he was a little calmer when he got to us than he was when he started off on his little journey. Anyways, he was a very nice man. I look forward to meeting him again and talking a little bit more FAA rules. I think I saved Shiloh as a PPG-friendly establishment, but it took a little convincing. I'm sure if you guys work at it, we've got a few good more years of these lax regulations when it comes to our pastime, our hobby and love, flying powered paragliders. I hope you like this video. My next video is going to be of my first actual flight on the Hadron. My dad got footage from the ground. Anyways, I hope you like the music. Have a great day.
We'll see you later. Okay. Take care.
See ya.
Be safe.
All right.
See ya.
See y'all. Thank you.
Your man looks like about 10 pounds. Looks like he just lost 10 pounds. You gotta watch out for him. He's good about that shit. He used to go to the side about that motherfucker. It's about 7 times.
Oh, I got that whole interaction on video.
Look at the little red light go. Look at it.